Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reset your UI and docs in OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. Open your OBS application on your computer. Now, there are two ways you can bring back missing docs or reset your entire UI layout, so I'll walk you through both methods to give you complete control over your workspace. First, let's look at how to bring back individual docs that might be missing from your interface. Direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen and click on Docs. This will open a comprehensive menu showing all the available doc options in OBS. You'll see a variety of different docs listed here, including scenes, sources, audio mixer, scene transitions, controls, stats, chat, stream information, Twitch stats, Twitch activity feed, and several other docs depending on your OBS setup. The beauty of this method is its flexibility. Simply click on any doc you want to restore to your workspace, and it will appear immediately on your screen. You can add as many or as few docs as you need, customizing your layout exactly how you prefer it for your streaming or recording workflow. Now, if you want a complete fresh start and fully reset your entire doc layout back to the default configuration, here's what you need to do. Go back to the upper left corner and click on Docs once again. This time, look for and select the option that says Reset Docs. This is particularly useful if your layout has become cluttered or disorganized over time, or if you've accidentally moved things around and want to start over from scratch. After clicking Reset Docs, a confirmation window will pop up on your screen asking you to confirm this action. Click Yes to proceed with the reset. OBS will then restore all your docs to their original default positions and settings, giving you a clean slate to work with. And that's it. You now know both methods for managing your OBS docs, whether you need to bring back individual elements or perform a complete reset. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.